Hello guys, welcome to Math Pro. So today I'll be teaching you how to find GCF by subtraction. The common methods that are taught in the classroom are listing method and continuous division method. Let us review these two methods. Suppose you need to get the GCF of 24 and 16. So in listing method, you have to list all the factors of each number. So 24 has this set of factors. 16 has this set of factors: 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. Then, after listing all the factors of these numbers, you will be able now to identify all the common factors. And the GCF is the greatest common factor among them. So, in this given, the GCF is 8. And now is continuous division method done. So, let us now use the same number, 24 and 16. So in continuous division, what you need to do is to find a common factor of the two given numbers. So let's say 4. Dividing 24 and 16 by 4, you get 6 and 4. And then after doing that, we again look for another common factor. So 6 and 4 can be divided both by 2. So we divide them. That's 3 and 2. Then, if there is no more number that can divide the result except 1, meaning if the two numbers are already relatively prime or the only number that can divide them is 1, that's where the continuous division method stops. And to get the GCF, we multiply the two common factors that we use. You'll see we'll get the same answer as 8. Right? In continuous division method, you can actually divide the number by its greatest common factor. Suppose you were able to find the greatest common factor as 8. When you divide the two given numbers by 8, then you'll see that the resulting numbers will already be relatively prime. That means the GCF is 8. So when you do the continuous division method, you think or you find for the greatest number that can divide the two numbers. That would definitely shorten your solutions. Okay? But here's a catch. In this lesson, I'll be teaching you how to get the GCF using subtraction. So let us take 24 and 16 also as example. That's it. So you only need to subtract 24 and 16. So 24 minus 16 is 8. Then you need to subtract again the answer and your subtrahend. So it's 16 minus 8 is 8. Then repeating the process, we subtract again the subtrahend and the difference. You'll get 8 minus 8 is 0. If the answer is already 0, then the last number that you subtracted will be the GCF. See guys, GCF of 24 and 16 using subtraction is 8. Same with the two answers that we solved using the two different methods. Let's have another example. Suppose you want to get the GCF of 45 and 30. Again, we subtract 45 minus 30. That would give you 15. Then we subtract these two numbers again. It's 30 minus 15. So that would give you 15. Then we subtract again 15 minus 15. And then you'll get 0. Since the last number that you subtracted is 15, then the GCF is 15. You can try this, guys. You use the other two methods and you'll get the same answer. GCF of 45 and 30. Okay, for our last example, what is the GCF of 24 and 60? Here, we can interchange the position of the numbers since 60 is greater than 24. So we subtract 60 minus 24 is 36. Then, since 36 is bigger than 24, so we interchange again their position to subtract them. So 36 minus 24 is 12. Then, we subtract again, 24 minus 12 is 12. Finally, when we subtract 12 by 12, you'll get 0. So the GCF is 12. Right? So that is it, guys. I hope you learned something from this video. Watch out for more videos. The method that we use is actually called the Euclidean method or the Euclidean algorithm. Euclid is a Greek mathematician. He is actually the father of geometry.